All right, guys, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two speedometer clusters and I'm going to combine them together to make one. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pulling off just the front assembly since this is broken. This actually, believe it or not, is the good one, where this one has some issues with the gauges. So we're going to use the guts of this one and then use the display here, or the front screen on this one. All right, so what we're gonna use is just a straight slot screwdriver. That's it. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the side of this. Now this is out of a 2003 Ford F350. It also works with the 250s. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and then you're just gonna push down on this tab right here. So there's a tab here. There's a tab over in the corner here. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for you. And then on the back side, you're going to have a tab here and a tab here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to push down on this tab here. And then push back. See, it's already split it apart. Really super easy to do. And then what you're going to do is just do the same here. You're going to flip it over, do it the same on the back side. So you're just going to push down right here. Okay. There we go. And then you're going to push down on this last tab. So there's your screen that you're going to be using on your other gauge cluster. All right, so now that this is off, we can go ahead and discard it. So I'm going to go ahead, and this does have kind of a scratch down the middle, but I'm going to go ahead and install this now. And it's super easy. You just take it, pop it down, slide it down through. And then what you're going to do is just lock it down. And push it down there, and there you go. All right, so then all you want to do is just make sure that they're locked in place, which that one is. Make sure that one's locked in place. Get these locked in right there and right there. All right, so this is how you change out your screen on a gauge cluster. This is, again, off a 2003 Ford F350, F250, and I've got a ton of other videos relating to the diesels and the gas, 2000 to about 2007. So check those videos out, and please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.